pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you...
Hey everybody, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. I have got a product review box. SkinStar reached out to me a couple weeks ago and asked me if I wanted to review their products. I'll put a picture of the email in here, and they are a mother company of like 3 other websites. So just to let you know, and look how huge this is. This actually came to me on a Sunday, believe it or not. I got this on a Sunday from a budget moving truck brought it to me. Go figure, right? So let's see what's in here. It's a very heavy box. Ooh, it looks like it's Korean skincare. Okay. We've got products from different companies. I'm just going to take them out here. There's a lot, and it's heavy. Whew. Centella Cica Toner and Pad, it says. So this is, what is it? Let's see. Oh my gosh, it's all made in Korea. Okay, yeah. So quick and easy soothing care filled with Centella Cica Toner for irritated sensitive skin. So I'm guessing this is a pad that has some calming ingredients in it. It does say that the expiration date on the bottom is 2022. And the company that makes this one is BRTC. Okay, then we've got something by Pure Heals. It says by Nature Village. This is Propolis 80 Sleeping Mask. Okay, it says enriched with 80% honeybee extract, provides full nourishment and glowing skin for tired skin while you sleep. Okay, I'm just curious. It really probably does look like honey. Oh yeah, it definitely does. That's interesting. Why don't we open these toner pads just to see? Curious. Maybe there's cucumber in here. I can't really get it open. Okay, so let's move on. $300 worth of skincare. So then we get a bag. Oh my gosh. And we get tools. I'm guessing this is to scoop something out, and I'm guessing this here is to tweeze something. Let me put this box down. And let's go through it. Wow, they give you a lot of stuff. Okay, so this is that company BRTC again. It says the first ampule BB cream, intensive treatment. It enhances the elasticity and glow of the skin. That's what the packaging looks like of that. Okay, let's open it. Let's see what we got. This is what the packaging looks like on the inside. All of it's on Korean in the back. There is a safety seal. Patent formula series. Okay, let's see what's next. Pure Heals. Now I've seen this around a lot. Pore Clear Black Charcoal Cleansing Foam. Okay, so this is a cleanser that's got charcoal in it. Manufactured for AMI Cosmetic Company, Ltd, made in Korea. This purifies skin and calms and tightens pores. Okay. Wow. There's still 3 items in here. CLIV. This looks really interesting. Premium. Ginseng Berry Premium Cream. Now, we all know that ginseng's been on the market for a long time. It's in vitamins, it's in supplements, it's now in skincare, so is CBD. Ooh, this is a really pretty jar. No. Let me put down the box here. Everything on the back is in Korean. I'm just curious. This is a very thick cream. Very, very thick. I'm guessing it's a moisturizer of some sort. Maybe it puts vitamins and antioxidants back in your skin. Who knows? What is this? Essen Herb Tea Tree Ampule Pure Tea Tree. Oh my god, I love tea tree. I use tea tree oil all the time to treat any breakouts, and it works wonderfully. Ooh. Yep. It has Melaleuca in it too. Blemish Skincare. Okay. There it is here. Ooh, I'm excited. And that's a pretty bottle of it too. I can't believe they give you all full-size products. That's awesome. All right, so the last thing is by Essen Herb Black Tea Scrub. Mild black tea. Wow, that's huge. You see all the bottles? They're huge. Ooh. So this has got to be for the body. Softly scrubbing. Cleans pores. It removes dead skin cells and skin waste while providing nutrients to make the skin clear and smooth. Wow. So we got a body scrub, calming pads, a healing mask, the ginseng berry cream, which I think is a moisturizer. Then we got a cream to firm the skin and make it glowy. Then we got the charcoal cleanser and the tea tree oil, and this was valued at over $300, it said. Oh yeah, here it is. They give you the card. It's got everything in here. It tells you what it does. It's in English. Yay. So you know what I'll do is I'll go ahead and put all of the links for this below, and I will put the email in here too. Maybe they're looking for other YouTubers to send their products to review. So this is my unboxing for it. I am going to use these products and give you guys updates in regards to that, and just let me know if you were to try one, which one would you want to try? All right guys, I love you so much. Thank you for joining me for this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. But we fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in.